After you receive your Abbott implantable cardiac defibrillator, an ICD, or a cardiac resynchronization therapy defibrillator, a CRT-D, you can use the myMerlinPulse app on your smartphone to collect your heart rhythm information and share it with your doctor. This is called remote monitoring. Before the app can remotely monitor your heart, it needs to be paired with your device. What is pairing? Pairing is a unique bond setup between your Abbott device and the myMerlinPulse app on your iPhone, so they can communicate. Pairing cannot take place until after your device is implanted. Pairing is needed when you set up the app on your smartphone for the first time. Someone from your care team will help you pair your device with your iPhone after your procedure. However, if you purchase a new replacement smartphone or upgrade the software on your current smartphone, you may need to repair your device. This should take no more than 15 minutes to complete. Before we walk through how to pair your device, you will need to have the myMerlinPulse app downloaded on your iPhone. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, visit the App Store and search for myMerlinPulse to locate and download it. You'll also want to ensure you have a good internet connection before you begin pairing. You have two options for internet. You can use a wireless network, commonly referred to as Wi-Fi, or you can use a cellular data plan. If you are unsure whether or not you have a good internet connection, try to visit your favorite website on your iPhone. To pair your Abbott device to your smartphone, you must have Bluetooth wireless technology turned on within your settings menu. You are now ready to pair your device with your app. Step 1. To start the pairing process, open the myMerlinPulse app. If this is your first time pairing the app, when you open it, you'll see a pop-up that asks if the myMerlinPulse app can send you notifications. Click Allow. You will then see a screen that asks you to confirm that you've read the terms and conditions. After you review the terms, click I agree. When you get to the screen that says Let's get started, click Set up now. Step 2. You'll be asked to enter your date of birth and your device serial number. You can find your Abbott device serial number on your patient ID card. After you enter your information, click the arrow to continue. If this is not your first time pairing the app, you will need an activation code. You can select to receive the activation code via email or text. This code is required to keep your data secure. Step 3. To pair your device with your app, click Pair Now. A Bluetooth pairing request with a CM message will appear. Enter the code shown at the top of your screen and click Pair. Pairing may take several minutes. During this time, keep the app open and nearby you. It needs to stay within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of you throughout the pairing process. Step 4. Your setup is now complete. Your Abbott device is paired with your iPhone, and the myMerlinPulse app can securely collect and share your heart rhythm information with your clinic. After you click Done, you'll be brought back to your app's home screen. From here, you can check your connection, share a transmission with your clinic when instructed, check your device's battery status, view past transmissions, and access help and support resources. Now that you successfully paired your Abbott device to your iPhone, keep the app open and running in the background at all times. And remember to relaunch the app anytime your iPhone is restarted, or if you purchase a new smartphone. You can now stay continuously engaged in your treatment and get peace of mind that you're receiving reliable care you can count on.